Good morning. It is our last week before we are officially on summer break. So what we are going to be working on this week is a couple articles about product positioning and product enhancement. So two very widely known companies, Coke and Pepsi, and specifically talking about Coke Zero and Pepsi Max. They're two zero-calorie beverages. So you're going to look about two articles in a document, and the links to each article. This article is within the document, and then you'll have to go to this link in order to access that document. So just a few questions for each one. And you're going to be looking at product positioning. That is when products are embedded into movies, TV shows, concerts, for instance, music videos. So product positioning, you see these two companies widely. Think about the Super Bowl, everywhere that they have Pepsi and Coke in commercials and other ways throughout that, specifically some pretty prominent music videos featuring those two. So that is product positioning. Product enhancement, that is when you enhance a product, obviously. So they went from Coke, tons of calories, now they enhanced it to Coke Zero, Pepsi to Pepsi Max. So that is what you're going to be looking at. Pretty interesting stuff. Two companies that are just always at the forefront of marketing because they have such a huge market share, but also they're fighting for it between those two major companies. So kind of interesting. So you'll be looking at this document. It is on our PowerSchool class page, and that is it for the year. So hopefully you learned some valuable lessons in this online learning time, especially those who are in DMAT classes that are requiring the learning. If you plan to go to college, more than likely you are going to be doing some online learning, and there are a lot of skills, time management, different things that you can learn by doing this online learning. So hopefully maybe the learning wasn't what you were expecting for fourth quarter. It definitely wasn't what I was expecting, but I hope you learned some valuable skills that you can use in other areas of your life. So it was a really fun third quarter. I wish we would have been able to finish out the fourth quarter in class, having great class discussions, but not the case. So have a great summer, and maybe I'll see some of you in accounting next school year. We'll talk to you later. Let me know if you have any questions.